What's up, Eli?
Jeremiah, you don't have a knife or anything, do you?
Do you have the freezer?
We didn't bring our tweezers.
Hey, can we sit? I'm taking video. Let's see what you got. Whoa. That guy's big.
Yeah. I think that's why I caught him. He's a little slower than the other ones.
Yeah.
Is he suffocating?
I don't know.
I'm just saying, were you at the shore? No, I didn't know you when they were eating the crabs right out of the
Should
water.
I, what do you guys want me to do with this guy? You want to put him back?
Yeah, we can put him back. Let's see him go. Are you mad?
Alright, here we go.
When we were down the shore,
That guy is huge, dude. Go.
Watch out.
cousin Cornelia was around, and then they caught little minnows, and they were just going.
Dude, you caught dinner.
Dinner, let's fight. Oh, they caught each other.
Wouldn't go down, and eventually he just sucked.
Merrick's unhappy, but that's okay. That's awesome.
Eli, or Caden, say cheese. Oh my word. This is like a little boy's paradise.
Ah, I'm caught. Hey.
You want to see it? My voice. Yeah, like they're awesome. The pictures you get down here with the natural lighting.
You guys want to see something?
Caden, look.
Yeah.
How many times I can skip this thing?
Let's see it. Well, that was not the best.
They're going in there.
Alright, here we go.
They're just grabbing.
Jeremiah, this is good.
Okay, let's see it go. Wow. That's nice. All right.